to fix no contacts list on the Samsung Galaxy A27. First of all, we're gonna open the phone app. Once we open the phone app, and if you go to contacts, if you don't have any contacts over here, then you might have specific contacts list enabled. I mean, for example, you might have chosen the list of contacts that are saved on your SIM card. And if you don't have any SIM card contacts, then of course this list is going to be empty. The easiest way to check that is by looking at the top over here below the phone text. If it says, for example, SIM1 or any other storage, then of course you might also have this view all contacts button, which you can use. Or you can tap on the three dots here and go to view by storage location, and you can choose all contacts to make sure that the full contacts list is enabled. Besides that, you might want to tap on these three dots, and also we can go to contact settings over here, and you should be able to, for example, import contacts. You want to allow notifications over here, and you can then transfer contacts from, actually let's try the export actually. No, it's going to be import. So if you do have any contacts, for example, on your SIM and they don't display on the contact list, you might want to import from your SIM to the phone storage. So you should be able to choose that over here and, of course, import everything. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.